name is Suzanna. Welcome to Suzanna's sHowTo. Today we're going to use some of these to inflate a balloon. I'll tell you the ingredients. We need baking soda. And we need a bottle, some balloon, and some steam to pour in. And we need vinegar. Let's go! We first pour the vinegar inside the bottle. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. If you're a kid, please let a mom or dad help you. Next step, we need to put this in the balloon. Let my dad or my mom help me. Dad helped me do this. So now let's pour this in. We need to put this like this on a water bottle. I will let my dad help me. We're gonna pour this inside here. It sure did make very cool. I'm just playing. We can make a balloon and play with it if you want to. And put this one. Oh, I forgot to tell you, sometimes it will pop. So I hope it will scare you. It's okay. It just will pop like a real balloon.